Shop Lowe's online headed into this Christmas season. Be sure to place your order by December the 20th to get your items before Christmas. Check out all these deals that are $20 and under. It's not too late. And for after the holidays, be prepared to come back to Lowe's and look for your totes, your trays. Don't forget the batteries. You can never forget the batteries. There's a great assortment of things. Some of them can be stocking stuffers, but they're all great values, great service. They'll ship to the home or they'll ship straight to the store and you can go pick it up with maybe some bigger items. Just go and pick it up. They'll have them ready for you. And at Lowe's, if you're out looking for grills or some larger items, guess what? They come pre-assembled. So you don't have to spend 2 or 3 hours putting together some of your large, bulky items, say like a grill, for instance, for Dad. Or maybe you want to stock up on some deals after Christmas. As a Lowe's partner, in the description you'll find a link to these products, and our channel will receive a small commission. Thank you and Merry Christmas.